In this video, I will show you how to export Google Contacts to Excel. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, go to the top right part of your screen, then click on Export. Then a pop-up will then show. Here are your options for exporting. The best format for this is the standard CSV, so click on Google CSV, then Export. The file containing your contacts will then automatically download to your computer. The downloaded file will be in a comma-separated values, or CSV format. You need to convert this to the native Excel format. To do this, open the downloaded file in your computer. It will open as an Excel file, but still in CSV format. Then in your Excel board, go to the top part of your screen, then click on File. It will then redirect you to the Options menu. In here on the left-hand side of your screen, click on Save, as then you can now customize the type of file you want it to be saved. In here, let's click on the bar underneath the name to bring out the options, then select Excel workbook.xlsx, then input a name for your file, then click on Save. Now, when you go to your file manager, you can now inspect it, and you will see that the file is already saved as .xlsx, the proper Excel format. And that's how to export Google Contacts to Excel.